coilover height, the total ride height of this vehicle. So back here is pretty good. It's identical to the other side, but I'm going to teach you how to accurately adjust it according to your desired height. Basically, this is all the tools you'll need to do this. You're going to need a vernier caliper or a measuring tape, coilover tools, an impact wrench, and a socket. So what you do is obviously turn on your dial caliper. You go from the lip of that to the fender, and then you see how much you got. You got roughly about 2 inches there to play with. So let's drop an inch, and we have a general idea how close the fender's going to be on that. So if we went this low, most likely the fender will rub on that. So if you have aluminum jam rings, I would not suggest you to do this. I would try other alternatives to get something in there, like these, but in this point, these are steel rings, so it'll be fine. Simple as that. If it doesn't move, then good luck. Try some other alternative. Now that these are loose, you get your caliper and set this ring all the way up where you desire to drop the vehicle. Back again with your caliper, nice and locked where you want it to be at. To be accurate as possible. Keep it right there, and then you start adjusting accordingly. Here's a PSA message for all motherfuckers that have 2-inch spacers or any kind of spacers. Torque your shit after you take your wheels out once in a while if you're not using fucking red colored Loctite. If you fail to do so, you become this guy. Nick my nut. Look at that fucking drop. There's pretty good clearance in there. And just adjust accordingly. There we go.
One eternity later.